man has always been considered a problem. You might have heard and you might have been writing on this topic that population is a problem. We should reduce the population because the government's resources are insufficient to cater for the needs and wants of the teeming millions. The point is, again people say it is the population which is the real resource and asset in a country, because that's the young working force. How the countries are run? The countries are run by the people. The point is, the countries are basically run by the quality people. From where this quality originates? This quality originates when the man is developed properly, polished, groomed, skilled, professionally skilled. That becomes a resource, capital, the human capital. And before that, that is liability. You have to feed them because that is contributing to the national exchequer or the national economy. So therefore, the most important thing is the human resource level, the quality of the human resource. If you look at any organization, can you distinguish the distinguished feature between a performing and moving upward organization and a routine type or downward going organization, any commercial organization? The major difference will be the difference in the human resource employees or the workforce which is there, because the man is the most important thing and the most important resource on the planet. Machines can do a lot, but after all they are tiny creations of human brain and human mind. So therefore, what is the creative human brain and human mind? From where the creativity comes? From where that latent faculties get awakened and start contributing for the nation and for the self and for the society and for the family. This thing gets developed when you are exposed to quality education. Unfortunately, all the third world countries, not only Pakistan, they are spread over Asia, Africa and Latin America, and they are least bothered about the quality education till now. My question is, why you are sending your children to Oxford, Cambridge, or say Harvard or MIT or Stanford universities of the United States? Why? There's only one reason. You and me may not afford to send them because we can't afford finances, but all those people who can manage the finances, they send their kids to these quality institutions. And they get developed over there, and then they start ruling their own respective countries after qualifying from those institutions. This is going on. But unfortunately, you would agree that those people who are at the helm of affairs, they are not bothered about to build such quality institutions in their own respective countries. This is the tragedy of the developing world. It doesn't mean they don't know it. They are very much conscious, but they have the crisis of intention and the political will, because they want to rule human beings as subjects. They are aware of one fact, because the education brings two important things in the man's mind. Number one, awareness about their own rights and duties of those who are in the power corridors. And thirdly, they create a protest and pressure on the people in the power to deliver. That's why they don't like them to get the quality education. But now the International University has opened and we all are enrolled there, and that is Internet University, that is the Google University, that is the Wikipedia University. We are all enrolled there and we are exposed to the quality things happening around, and therefore the change is taking place. This is a globalized change. I tell you, the future of these usurpers, these exploiters of their respective nations, their days, their years are numbered. And time will really dawn upon all of us when the things will be on merit, on justice, and there will be a fair play. Everybody will have equal opportunity to grow and develop in the third world countries, because at the moment, unfortunately, this is the prerogative only in the developed world. That's we call them the developed world, and that's we are in the lines and queues to get visa for Germany, United Kingdom, France, or United States of America.